So to get x by itself, right now it's being squared outside the parentheses. That's the first thing we've got to undo, because the order of operations says we've got to do parentheses first, and we can't do parentheses till we know what x is. So we've got to break down the thing that's stopping us from getting x by itself, the parentheses and the squaring that's happening. So if we want to get rid of a square, we can square root both sides. But we need to be careful, because if you square root a square, you always have to add a plus or minus symbol onto the other side, because there are two numbers that can make 36 when they're being squared, right? 6 squared would make 36, and negative 6 squared would also make 36. So that plus or minus symbol is important. But the big idea is the square root cancels out the squared, so it leaves us with just x plus 9 equals plus or minus 6. So the way you handle that plus or minus symbol is you solve twice. You solve once if x plus 9 equals positive 6, and then you solve again when x plus 9 equals negative 6. And to solve these equations, that says plus 6, you can get rid of, that says plus 9, you can get rid of the plus 9 by subtracting 9 from both sides. So if you do that, 6 subtracted by 9 makes negative 3. And then subtract 9 from both sides over here. And so use a calculator if you have trouble with the negative signs, but that's a negative 6 subtracted by 9. You're going further back in the negatives. Those are our two solutions.